Welcome. If you want to get Google Snapseed on your Huawei P40 Lite 5G, for the first you have to get this application on the second smartphone with the access to the Play Store. So I did it, and right now we have to move for the phone call application that we are going to use to transfer data. And if you have the Huawei smartphone like me, you will get this application as a default on your smartphone, but if you have any other brand, you have to download it from the Play Store. And when you got it, just open on the both devices. Select the old phone on the smartphone with the Play Store and the new phone on your Huawei P40 Lite 5G. Right now select the old phone type. Here we have to connect, we can scan the QR code, and we can also input the password manually. So right now they are connected, so we have to unselect all stuff here, scroll down, tap on the apps and the data, and now just find the Snapseed, and after that just click on the select button, click OK, tap transfer, draw the pattern, click OK, tap finished, and right now we are able to open this app on our P40 Lite 5G without the Google services. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.